Hello, it's Paul at Skipology. I just wanted to run through a process that I occasionally adopt in Snapseed when I want to convert my images to black and white. It particularly applies to an image where you want to apply different black and white conversion filters to different aspects of the image. This is an image of the cathedral from a terrace in Lincoln. You can see the image has got a lot of blue sky, and typically I'm going to want to convert an image with a lot of blue sky using the red colour filter. It just adds a lot of drama, but I may not want to use that same filter for the foreground aspects of the image. So using this as an example, I'm just going to show you how I go about that. So first of all, I'll apply the black and white conversion to the whole image, and that will be the red conversion, and you can see the drama that I'm talking about. So I'm going to accept that. Now I don't want that whole black and white image to be converted using a red filter. I only really want that to apply to the sky. So I'm going to tap the layers icon at the top, and that enables me to view my edits. If I then select the black and white edit that I've just applied, and if I select that paint icon, I can paint where I want that black and white conversion to apply. So I'm going to apply it to the sky area, just in a very sort of rough and ready paint with my finger. Okay, so you can see straight away that only part of the image is now converted. So I'll click the back arrow, I'll go back to tools, I'll select black and white again, and this time I'm going to leave the whole image with the neutral black and white filter. So effectively what's happened now is if I go into my layers again and look at view edits, I've got two black and white conversions. The first one, that one applies only to the top half of the image. The second one actually applies to the whole of the image, but it has no effect on the top half because it is just a black and white conversion and it's already black and white. So there's no need to try and mask it in any further sort of method. But also, now that I've got this mask in place, if I wanted to make that sky even more dramatic, I could choose to go back to that black and white filter, and I can adjust the settings. If I go to brightness, I'm just going to reduce the brightness a little bit. I'm going to go down to about 20, minus 20. And you can see the sky is now even darker. At this stage, it does look like it's applied to the whole image, but that's not the case. If I click the accept, you can see it's just the top half. I'll bring back in the final black and white conversion for the bottom half. And there we are. We've got an image that has been converted with a red black and white filter at the top and also darkened slightly to add more drama to the sky. The rest of the image is just converted using a standard black and white conversion with no further adjustments. And I think it's just quite an effective way to edit an image where you want to treat aspects of the image in a slightly different way. So I'll just export that and save a copy into my photos. So that's the end of this workflow. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I hope it helped you and gave you a few ideas. Please visit again soon. Thank you.